Today we will be visiting the iconic statue of the Merlion, which is located at the Merlion Park in Singapore, and this is the path that we will be taking. In the distance you can see Marina Bay Sands' iconic boat-like structure, the Singapore Flyer, the Art and Science Museum, and you can get some great views of the city skyscrapers as well. The merlion is a mythical creature with a lion's head and the body of a fish, and is the official mascot of Singapore.
My way is this side.
It is also one of the most visited attractions here, and as you can see, even Wonder Woman decided to pay it a visit. I suggest you try to get here early in the morning, as it is less crowded, and you will be able to get better pictures of the Merlion. It is also completely free to visit, and it's about an 8-minute walk from Raffles Place Metro Station, which is the closest metro station to the park. After getting off the metro, look for the exit for the United Overseas Bank Plaza, and from there I suggest taking the path in green that you see in the video, which takes you to Boat Quay, and where you can get some nice views of the river and the city, and if you can, buy one of the delicious ice cream wafers for about $1.5 Singaporean that they sell here at Boat Quay.